Okay, so you heard platform engineering is hot, pays well, and you want to jump on the hype train? Or maybe you've been building systems and platforms for the last decade already, but you're not sure what's best practice? You came to the right place to figure it all out. Welcome to Platform Engineering, the channel that brings you the best in DevOps and cloud native so you can be the smartest person at the dinner table, or even just on Twitter. Hi, I'm Luca from the Platform Engineering community. In this video, we'll explore the essential qualifications, skills, and personal qualities required to succeed as a platform engineer. We'll also provide you tips and guidance on how to develop these competencies. Whether you're an experienced infrastructure engineer looking for a new challenge or a recent graduate interested in starting your career in platform engineering, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore what it takes to become a successful platform engineer. First of all, let's start with a quick definition. Platform engineering is a discipline that involves designing and building toolchains and workflows to enable self-service capabilities for engineering organizations, especially mid and large-size enterprise. Platform engineers provide an integrated product, most often referred to as an internal developer platform, or IDP for short, which covers the operational necessities of the entire lifecycle of an application. An IDP is a layer on top of the tech and tooling an engineering team has in place already, and it helps operations structure their setup and enable developer self-service. Platform engineering done right means providing golden paths and paved roads that match the preferred abstraction level of the individual developer, who interacts with the IDP layer through a number of interfaces, whether code-based or UI-based. So what is the role of a platform engineer? Well, as a platform engineer, you're part of a platform team that builds and ships the internal developer platform. The key point here is that you need to have a product mindset. A platform engineer understands that developers are their customers and treats them as such. They're the users of your product, the IDP. So instead of trying to teach them infrastructure technologies or constantly set them up for them, your task is to build internal tooling, i.e. the platform, that they'll use to self-serve the tech and tools they need on their own. This is why we recommend everyone who wants to move to a platform engineering role to learn the fundamentals of product management. Topics like user research, product roadmap, MVP, user adoption are all essential tools. This can also be the starting point for you to specialize even further, growing, for example, into the role of a product manager over an IDP. Besides the shift to this product mindset, the other key skill you should continuously work on is clear communication. In such a role, you not only need to market your internal developer platform to developers to ensure adoption, but in many cases, you also need to sell up into management and executives to get full stakeholder buy-in. It's not always an easy task, as all these different stakeholders use different lingo and are incentivized in different ways. Of course, you should also have a solid understanding of Kubernetes, infrastructure as code or ISC, cloud-native tooling in general, CI/CD, workflows, GitOps, and so on. And if you come from a DevOps or SRE background, you probably already know all of this. But very clear communication skills and a product mindset are what's going to set you apart as a platform engineer. All right, sounds great, you say, but can I actually make money with this thing? Well, according to the State of Platform Engineer report, which we'll link to in the notes, yes. Platform engineers, on average, make more than their DevOps counterparts. In the US, for example, there's at least a 20% spread between salaries. So what are you waiting for? Join the community and get started on your journey as a platform engineer. Thanks for watching this video on what it takes to become a platform engineer. I hope you found this information helpful in understanding the skills and qualifications needed to become one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest insights and trends in platform engineering. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.